Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a fresh fruit salad with dressing. This fruit salad is light, refreshing, healthy, and perfect for any party or barbecue. I like to make it in the summer when I don't want to bake a cake and heat up the whole house turning on the oven. And of course when the weather's hot, you don't feel like eating heavy desserts, so this light salad is perfect. All the ingredients and measurements are in the link right below this video. The dressing will have fresh lime juice and honey. For the fruit, you can use whatever looks fresh at the store. Just avoid mushy fruit like bananas. I'm using mango, kiwi, strawberries, pineapple. The blueberries and blackberries will wash at the end and add to the salad. Even though I love the taste of raspberries, I don't like to use them in salads because they do tend to get all mushy and smashed when you stir the salad. We'll make the dressing first and prep all the fruit. For the dressing, we're going to use the lime zest and juice. So zest the limes first. Put that into a measuring cup. Juice the limes. Honey. Pinch of salt. Taste the dressing and add more honey if the limes are too sour. Peel the mango. You'll have a lot of good stuff for the compost pile. If you're not used to cutting up a mango, you can use gloves because they are a little slippery. Cut the mango into chunks. Put the mangoes in a big bowl. If you notice any tough parts in the mango, you can just cut it off. Next, we'll cut up the pineapple. Make sure to cut all the eyes out. Cut the core off. And cut into chunks. Put the pineapple into the bowl with the mango. Wash the strawberries. Remove the green. Hull them. And cut them into 2 or 4 pieces, depending on the size. You can put them right in the bowl with the mango and pineapple. For these smaller ones, just cut them in half. Now the kiwi. I just bought this kiwi from the farmer's market. They're usually nice and bright green in the middle. This is a little bit more yellow. It tastes really good, it's sweet, so I'm going to put it in the salad. When you make the fruit salad, try to incorporate as many colors as you can in the salad so it looks beautiful. You've got the yellow from the pineapple and slight orange of the mango. The red of the strawberries. Supposed to be the green of the kiwi, but they turned out to be almost a lime color. You don't always know what your fruit's going to look like inside until you bring it home and cut it up. For something that's definitely green, use seedless green grapes or honeydew melon. Now we can rinse the berries. Make sure to pick through the berries and throw out any that are smushed or split open. Add the berries. Blackberries. Mix up the dressing and pour it on top of the fruit. Mix this very gently, just a couple of turns. You want to be gentle with the fruit. You can serve this right away or let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours, 3 hours, and it'll taste even better. Since I'm missing something green, I'm going to add some mint leaves on top. You can tear them up or leave them whole. I hope you give this delicious and healthy fruit salad a try. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.